turtles, those slow-moving, shell-wearing creatures, have been fascinating humans for centuries. But have you ever wondered how they got their iconic shell? Let's dive into the fascinating world of turtles and uncover the secrets of their hard-shelled home. The carapace is formed from the fused bones of the turtle's back and ribs, while the plastron is formed from the belly bones. These bones are covered by a layer of keratin, the same protein that makes up human nails and hair, giving the shell its tough, durable texture. But how does a turtle grow its shell? As a turtle grows, so does its shell. Cells called osteoblasts lay down new bone on the inside of the shell, while cells called osteoclasts remove old bone on the outside. This process continues throughout the turtle's life, allowing it to grow and repair its shell. The shell serves multiple purposes for the turtle. It provides protection from predators, supports the turtle's body, and even acts as a shield during mating. But perhaps the most interesting use of the shell is as a floating device. The shape and size of a turtle's shell allows it to float on the water's surface, making it easier for the turtle to swim and conserve energy. Turtles come in many different shapes and sizes, each with its unique shell. Some turtles have flatter shells that allow them to swim quickly, while others have more rounded shells that provide extra protection. Turtles are fascinating creatures, and their shells are just one of the many amazing adaptations that have helped them survive for millions of years. So next time you see a turtle, take a moment to appreciate its hard-shelled home and all the incredible things it allows the turtle to do. Whether it's swimming, floating, or protecting itself from predators, a turtle's shell is an essential part of its life. So the next time you encounter one of these slow-moving, shell-wearing creatures, be sure to give it a friendly wave and a nod to the incredible adaptation that has helped it survive for millions of years.